Hey guys, we are doing a live walking tour of the Marina Walk here in Dubai. And stay tuned if you would like to explore Marina Walk. It's one of the top tourist destinations here in Dubai, and it's very well built, and it's a must visit if you are exploring Dubai. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, and subscribe to my channel if you like the video. So we're here in the morning time. It's early morning, around 9-ish, 9 a.m. And you can see here that there's a lot of activity going on here with people just having a morning stroll and jogging, as well as cycling. This is one of the top destinations for travelers and tourists, that are visiting Dubai. And this entire area is surrounded by lots and lots of high rises and skyscrapers, and a lot of them are actually extremely good hotels where the travelers are staying over. So to them, Marina Walk is really accessible, and you can see here the entire area is really well built, and it's beautiful for a morning stroll. In this walking tour, we're going to explore the entire stretch of the Marina Walk, which is around 7 kilometers long, and you can see that on the other side as well, which is the other side of the canal, there is the exact same build on both the sides. So we're now just taking a walk here, and there's lots of options here. There is the Kareem bike stations where you can actually rent a bicycle for a 45 minutes stretch if you have an account with them. So I think a lot of travelers and tourists, they find it handy. And you can see here that we're actually at one of the yachts docking stations, where all the yachts are basically just resting as of now. And this area is absolutely fascinating because of the presence of such amazing architecture here. As you can see, this building is huge. So one of the things that you will see plenty here onto the Marina Walk is the high rises. And Marina is actually called the tallest block in the world, simply because of the number of high rises and skyscrapers that it has in a very small radius. And I think there's lots of top developers over here. One of the top ones is MR, and you will see their names is all over onto the buildings and the structures over here. And it's stunning. It's really unique. Every building is actually different from another, and it totally stands out from that point of view. And not just that, it looks so much different in the night than it does in the day. So if you're planning to come to the Marina Walk, make sure you come twice, because it looks totally different during the daytime. If you've not watched my video yet for the Marina Walk night tour, definitely watch it. You can find it on my channel, and you will see that it looks completely different during the night. It's almost like a starry Arabian night, with extremely breathtaking views, as far as the eyes can see. So do check that out, guys, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and my commentary. So you can see here we're just onto another docking sort of stations for the yachts, and I really wanted you guys to see the yachts from a very close proximity. And you can see these things are huge. They're so spacious. There is a front deck, and then there is an upper deck, and then inside there's probably a room as well. So this is ideal, for like a small party for friends, and like a small gathering. It's it's really spacious. I never imagined that yachts are actually as spacious as these. Um, so yeah, we're just checking these out, and I want to make sure that I capture a few of them so you can see the kind of options that are available over here. So you can see the ones that we're checking out right now, they're relatively bigger in size. So these are probably for slightly larger groups of maybe 15 to 20 or more. I have personally not been onto the yacht rides myself, but you can see here there's also the smaller ones, which are probably ideal for a party of maybe 4 to 6. And you can see here some of them are like beautifully built, and these are the tiniest that I could find, and they have their engines right at the back, which is, you know, to power the actual speed of the yachts. And you can see here these are actually just speedboats, I guess. And you can see they're relatively simple in structure and equally good if you want, you know, to have a quick ride around the canal. But yeah, yeah, they all look pretty interesting to me. One of the recent developments over here in the Marina Walk is the graffiti art, as you can see here on these relatively large steps. This is actually one of the main entrances of the Marina Walk, and you can see here that it's been beautifully adorned with graffiti and with colors. As you can see, the patterns are really unique, and it looks beautiful in the day as well as in the night. You can actually see the artists working on this in the night time as well, live. And yeah, I think this is a beautiful sight, you know, as we walk into the marina. And we're just moving forward, and you can see here this is the very famous Cayenne Towers, looking absolutely magnificent in the daylight. It's a beautiful architecture marvel, you know, it's a must visit um, whilst you're at the marina. And you can see here here's another dock for the yachts to rest. So you can see here the really beautiful reflections of the high rises into the water, surrounded with yachts on both sides. This doesn't get better. The views here in the Marina Walk, they don't get better than this. It's amazing to experience this very early in the morning, when the sun is not too harsh, and um, the breeze is really cool, and there's not a lot of crowd here at all. I think the night time is the more active time, because there's a whole stretch of restaurants and cafes and shisha bars, etc., in this stretch, which kind of keeps the entire area very busy. But in the daytime, in the morning time, it's a completely different view of the marina. Well, one thing that you will find plenty of onto the Marina Walk is the yachts. I mean, look at the sheer number of yachts, you know, I can't even count them. They must be running in at least over 100. So you can see here that you got all sizes. This one is huge, by the way. You've got all sorts of sizes. You've got all different types of yachts over here. Um, this is a small yacht shopping mall, I would say. It's amazing. I've never seen that many all in one place. You know, but yeah, this is beautiful. There's plenty of options. I've personally never been onto a yacht ride myself, but I know that there's plenty and plenty of options out there. If you're looking for a yacht ride, just going out with friends, or small gathering of family, it's a beautiful experience, and there's plenty options. So you can see here we just captured a couple of birds. This bird is actually a mascot of the Marina Walk over here, and that's why it's so special. And I actually climbed a level down, as you can see. Just look at the yachts, and this one is actually a different one. It's kind of like a boat shaped structure, but yeah, I actually climbed a level down just to look at the yachts from a close distance. And you can see here in the morning, it's a really pleasant environment over here. The birds are chirping, and yeah, it's cool and it's nice. It's pleasant all around. And here you will see another entry and exit point of the Marina Walk. And I've walked all the way up to the almost the extreme end point of the stretch of the walk. And here you'll see the yellow boats, basically, which is another option to yacht rides. um, I'm assuming it's a lot less pricey than the private yachts. um, so I'm pretty sure that these are popular as well among groups. And you can see here that um, this is actually another um, main entry and exit point, which is directly connected to the main street as well. Um, as you can see, it's pretty active. There's lots of cafes, and lots of other shops over here as well. And there we have it. That's your walking tour of the Marina Walk. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.